Booking a call is easy. Actually running it, without 10 browser tabs and a dead recording, that's the hard part. With Vyroq Meetings, hosting starts the second you need it. Head to Meetings and hit New Meeting. Name it, pick one-to-one or group, then choose Start Now or Schedule for Later. Your room, your timing, before you go live. Open. Options. Set a passcode, turn on the waiting room so nobody walks in uninvited, and flip on. Record this meeting if you want a transcript after. Pick your recording consent too. Notify everyone or require an explicit OK before any mic goes live. Invite people right there. Team members, leads pulled straight from your pipeline, or extra emails pasted in. Hit Create Meeting, and when it's time, click Start. You're the host. Guests land in your waiting room first. Admit them one by one. Room getting noisy? Mute everyone, silences it instantly. And if someone needs to join mid-call, invite more, pulls them in. No need to stop and restart. When you're done, end meeting, closes the room for everyone at once, and drops you straight onto that meetings page where the recording, transcript, and full participant list are already waiting. That's hosting on Vyroq. Instant rooms, real control, nothing to hunt for. Start yours free at vyroqi.com. No credit card, 14-day money-back guarantee.